Boom. That's a big boom. Here we have the Portalbox, all the way from Amsterdam. And first of all, I gotta say this box is beautiful. All right, it's loose. And as you can see, build quality looks like super nice. I love the wood. Key lock, so you can lock it up. Although I think this will tell everybody what's inside of it. This eyeball situation. Nice. Again, the build quality just shines through. The first thing you see is another eyeball looking at you. And it's this book. And what I've heard is you can take this out and you have more space to store your illegal substances in, or legal substances. It's up to you. this is how it starts. Remember who you are, Simba. Disclaimer, there's always a disclaimer for all the Americans out there. Here we got the little graph, peak duration. I'm not gonna have time to go through this, but as you can see, just like the box, this book's designed like phenomenally. First off, amazing. You see, this is the way to go with a mask. Like have you had on like one of those, what are they called, mindfolds? They're the worst, because you can't roll around. It's like if you have this on, you can't see anything. I like to like lay in my bed or something when I like go deep and want to have a blindfold on. These ones, I recommend. So what else we got in here? This is really soft. All right, so we have a nice little jar. This I would call my changa jar, childproof. We got some vials. It makes it feel more like I'm an alchemist or something. And what I've been told is there is a secret compartment and nobody's gonna find it. You got your vaporization paraphernalia for 5-MeO and N. And there's more of these pipe screens. What do you call these big boys again? Pads, pipe pads. I heard they're really good for vaporizing DMT from a vaporizer. That is optional with the Porte Supplies box. But I didn't get the premium edition because it would never survive here in Guatemala. So we have a scale for all of your spice measurements or mushroom cultivation measurements. Just letting you know, it's like, hey, it's really good for making agar. 0.1 scale. There's actually 0.0. That's an accurate scale. 0.001 grams. I was gonna introduce my favorite parts. This, come on. This is the fanciest scoop you're gonna see. This is basically the kale scoop. Look how big. this. You can make a necklace out of it, and you can be a boom hippie with it. Like, it's kind of a dick measuring contest. Who has the biggest ketamine spoon? This one will win, trust me. You close up this beautiful box, and it comes with this key, and it's completely secure. Unless you live with a master lockpick, nobody's gonna get this open. This very advanced key. And then you can keep your substances safe from your grandma. Nosy grandma always used to steal all my substances. And you can leave it on your table. And people are like, what is this? And you're like, this is my Portalbox. And you're like, what are you portaling to? Fifth dimensional DMT elves that I asked for advice on crypto. I'm super happy with this box. Like, gonna be my all-around Portalbox. And then I think this will help normalize the face of psychedelics so much more when instead of having a shoebox or something, instead of a plastic baggie in the bottom of your sock drawer. Stop doing that. It's a sacrament. This is how you treat a sacrament. Super grateful to the Portier boys and DMT elves that helped in the creation of this box. Where's the vaporizer? Much love.